Scholars in Action has been the centerpiece of the undergraduate research experience at Springfield College for nearly 20 years. Undergraduate research experiences have been shown to be a high-impact educational practice. A part of that impact stems from the community of support and feedback available to these students at Springfield College. Students work with faculty over one or more semesters on these projects, which culminate in a presentation at either a poster session or paper or oral presentations involving hands-on interaction and Q&A sessions with other students, faculty, and staff evaluators. Not only are these excellent opportunities for experiential learning, but they also help students build resumes for graduate school, gain experience with formal, professional-style presentations, and help in developing research skills, building mentorship relationships with faculty, and offer a meaningful experience in creating scholarship for larger academic forums and audiences.